Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, and gentle yoga helps mothers stay calm, healthy, and strong.
Seated breathing opens the chest and helps you feel relaxed and refreshed. Butterfly pose gently opens hips and improves flexibility for delivery. Mountain pose improves posture, balance, and confidence. This relaxing pose improves blood circulation for mother and baby. Prenatal yoga reduces stress, improves breathing, supports sleep, and prepares the body for delivery. Pregnancy is beautiful, but it can also feel stressful. What if 10 minutes of gentle yoga could change your whole day? Before starting yoga, always consult your doctor and understand your body condition. Move slowly and gently. Fast movements are not safe during pregnancy.
Back pain happens because extra body weight changes posture and puts pressure on the spine.
Cat-cow pose relaxes the spine and gently reduces back pain while improving flexibility.
Sleeping on the left side with pillow support improves comfort and blood flow.
Hormonal changes and delivery worries can create emotional stress. Deep breathing calms the mind and fills the body with fresh energy. Gentle ankle rotation improves circulation and reduces swelling comfortably. Body discomfort. As the baby grows, pressure on the lungs can cause shortness of breath. Yoga brings emotional calmness and strengthens the bond with your baby. It strengthens muscles, reduces pain, and improves overall balance. Regular yoga prepares the body and mind for a smoother delivery. Wear loose clothes, drink water, and practice on a soft yoga mat. Avoid deep twists, jumping, strong back bends, and lying flat too long. Stay calm, stay active, and enjoy your pregnancy journey with gentle yoga every day.